Hello traders, today is the 9th of January 2012 and happy trading to you all. London is now open, okay, and New York will be open in the next 15 minutes or so. The time in London is 15 minutes past 2 p.m. In New York is 15 minutes past 9 a.m. Okay, we are looking on the monthly chart of Cisco. Epic CSCO, Charlie Sierra Charlie Oscar on the monthly chart. Okay, and we are going to talk about the bearish force. What is a bearish force? Okay. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you all. Guten Tag, guten Morgen. Okay, bonjour, bonsoir, mes amis. Okay, here we are in 2012. Okay. And last time we posted a video at www.youtube.com/trio. The title of that video was a bullish force. In this video, we will talk about a bearish force. As I explained to you last time, okay, we have a technical bearish force and also a fundamental bearish force. Okay, what is a bearish force? A bearish force is the force that generates the bearish momentum. Just simple, okay? It's the force that generates, okay, the bearish momentum. It is the opposite of a bullish force. A bearish force is activated when the price breaks below a support level and then retest that support level and turns around. Okay, very important. So the price, we want a price, okay, to break below a support level and to retest the support level and start turning around. At that point in time, a bearish force is activated. Okay, it can be a 6 critical price level, it can be a critical price level, one of the 6 critical price level, it can be a small media line, can be the critical price level number 1, it can be a previous high, it can be a very important price level, but the price must break below that level, retest it and start turning around. At that point in time, a bearish force is activated. Okay, looking at this monthly chart of Cisco from 1998, this stock was in the uptrend. Okay, and if this was the highest high, okay, that this Cisco, okay, has attained in the year 2000, the highest high in blue here. But before that, this was the previous high. Okay, because each candle here is on a monthly chart, we want to pay attention to the high of each month. What the professionals are doing as a day traders, they are watching the high of the previous month and they will draw the line and watch that level. And if the momentum will continue, sometimes the price will dip below, as you can see here, the price may dip below the previous high, okay, and before, okay, continuing the movement, okay, to the upside. As you can see here, this one, okay, it dip below it, this candle here dip below the previous high, but continue the movement, okay, to the upside. Okay, so we want to know, okay, when and where the bearish force, okay, is activated. Okay, paying attention to this chart, we can see that the price was consolidating here for 5 months. You can see for 5 months the price was consolidating in this section here. This is the top of the consolidation in yellow here and the base of the consolidation in white here. As the bearish momentum was activated here, let's zoom into this session. Okay, the price dip below the previous high of this candle, dip below it and retest it, okay, and start turning around. A bearish force is activated here. Here again, the price, as the bearish force was activated here, was a very strong bearish force, and the price continued the movement to the downside. We do not know how far the price will go, but our first target is the first and nearest support level. Okay, in this zone here, a first and nearest support level. Price continue the movement to the downside. we must pay attention to the first and nearest support level. This level here, this level was broken, this one also was broken. Price D below the base of this consolidation session here. What the price did, let's zoom into it in this session here. Pay attention carefully. The price D below the base of the previous consolidation session, a very important price level, retest it on the dot and start turning around. At this point in time, a bearish force is activated, price going down. Pay attention to the first and nearest support level. Price went back up again, found a support at the first and nearest support level, return back up to retest the previous level, which is the base of the consolidation still. So he retest it here, come back again to retest it, start turning around for the second time. A bearish force is activated in this session. If one wants to buy, one must locate when and where a bullish force is activated. When one wants to buy, want to sell. If you want to sell, you want to sell when a bearish force is activated. Price continue the movement to the upside, retested the top of the consolidation, which is this session. The top of the consolidation, the yellow one. Pay attention carefully. You see the consolidation, this is the top of it. Price D below it, but now it went to retest it here on the dot, start turning around. A bearish force is activated. It D below the base, which is this level here. What it did, it come back again. The price came back again to retest it and turn around. A bearish force is activated. Each candle here is a monthly candle, so for 30 days at least the price was going down. For 30 days, down. As a day trader, you may say to me, George, I don't want to know about this. This is about swing trading. This is about position trading. I'm inviting you that if you are day trader, you want to buy or sell, you want to know when and where a bearish force or a bullish force is activated, so you may enter the trade at the right time, at the right place, so you can also be rewarded. So we see here the price went up again, up to this level. So price display a low. There was a low here, a higher low, a higher high. This is a high here. This is the first high from here. So this is the first high, a higher low, a higher high. What the price did, came back to close below the previous high. A bearish force is activated when the price D below the previous high, retest it and turn around. This was the previous high. Price D below it, retest it and start turning around. A bearish force is activated here. The first target, is the first and nearest support level. Price D below the first and nearest support level, retest it, start turning around again here. A bearish force is activated. First target, first and nearest support level. As you can see, it's happening all the time, ladies and gentlemen. And the price is not hiding anything. This is a stable data in the market. It's not hiding anything. We know, that's why we have to keep our eyes on the price. Look, again, it did below the same level, the top of the consolidation, which this session here. Am I right? Top of the consolidation? No, it's a different line. So it did below this important level again. You see this level? This one. Now we went above it. Now we come back below it. We retest it. Start turning around. A bearish force is activated for 30 days. Down. Swing trader can swing trade during this month. We want to see whether a bearish force is activated or not. Here it came back again to retest it. A bearish force is activated, another for 30 days. Down. It's going on all the time. So you see now. Now today, this is where Cisco is. Today is the 9th of January 2012. We are retesting this important level. I don't want to sell Cisco. I don't want to sell Cisco. This video is for educational purposes only. It's neither a solicitation or an offer to buy or sell any financial instrument. And it's for educational purposes only. It's not an invitation to buy or sell Cisco. Some trader will go and buy and sell Cisco because of this video. It's their own choice, so they are fully responsible for it. It's for educational purposes only. So now we are retesting this level. But look carefully. As I explained to traders before, the stock that we want to sell, we want to stock that deviate or departed far away from the smart media line. These are excellent stock. We want to sell. Look for opportunity to sell, not sell. Look for opportunity to sell. I don't sell stock that went down for too long. I don't do it, okay? But some people do, but it's up to you. So the price was going down for all this year. If you didn't sell it all this time, I think it's look for another candidate. It retraced back up again, people sold it down. Okay, it went up again, people sold it down. Talking about Fibonacci retracement, and people are selling down. It went up again, people sold it down. Okay, now we are here, price display double bottom pattern. This year, 2012, we are expecting the S&P 500, okay, to start a bullish cycle. But before that, there are preparation. The base of, okay, the new cycle is very important. When a cycle has started and there is no base, no strong foundation, okay, you may decide if there's no strong foundation for the building will collapse. Same thing if a cycle has begun and there is no strong foundation, I will stay out. This video is about bearish force, talking about a technical bearish force, looking at the Cisco stock on a monthly chart. The key thing that we want to remember, if we forget everything else, okay, we want to remember that the price must break below a very important price level, retest it, and turn around. This is about technical bearish force. I am inviting you now to go to www.google Finance, and in the second part of the video we will talk about a fundamental bearish force. We will look at the financial of this Cisco stock, and we will try to recognize when and where a fundamental bearish force, okay, is activated. I invite you to watch the second part of video titled Bearish Force Part 2. This video is about a bearish force, talking about technical analysis of Cisco. Thank you for watching, and we will speak to you very soon now. We are the TSTWSYS 008 traders.